hello again, it's me. It's been quite a few days since we've last seen each other. Last time you saw a video where I showcased the ability to swap between a male and a female skin for spies. But I'm back, and I have been hard at work with actually constructing this system, and it is now fully functional. Well, until it isn't. So here you go. This is the Enhanced Interaction HUD. This is for spies perspective. So you have the all the spy models that I've added into the game that are packaged in, and yeah, here you see. You have the male, you have the female. The female spy is a custom-made model by me, based on the foundation of the original model, and it's using the same skeleton and the same system. So far, I fixed a lot of bugs with this system. It's been quite problematic, and yeah, but now it's getting where it should be. But yeah, so you can see here, you can choose your model. You can select. Let's go with the navy blue. There's a potentiality that I don't have to speak English. I'm not a native English speaker. But so this is a stock taser. You can see the model, so you can expect it how it looks. I might one day add more different models for tasers, with possibly different functionality, but we'll see. And the most interesting thing and the biggest change of all is the Gadgets tab. This here allows you to change what gadget you're carrying. But you may think to yourself, oh, we already have that in the equipment tab in the lobby. That's right, it's true. We have it here as well. But as you can see, it is the thing is with this menu, it only applies once per game. You can only do this in the lobby. What you can do here instead, you can just overwrite or supersede the equipment tab in the main menu altogether. So let's say for the next match I want to be using, let's say, heartbeat. Then I can choose, let's say, chaff. Let's go with the sticky cam. I like that. Well, let's go cam and suit. Why not? So you can see here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 slots. You can also search up if you press enter. You can search for gadgets if you want. If you feel like you're missing something, or you just have a hard time reading, or if more gadgets I invent gets made, then yeah, sure, why not? You can do it. You can also write in command in this. It's not really functional yet, but it'll be implemented eventually. Commands as in only commands that is possible by this tool. It's not related to the game, it's only related to the tool itself for the enhanced HUD, interaction HUD. Yeah, also there's a little thing here as well. You can trade in certain gadgets. You see here 5 out of 10. That is bound to be changed. So let's say if to spice up the gameplay and system, let's say, oh, I have 5 chaff grenades, but let's say I want more of them. You can trade in a few sticky cams. I know it's quite insane trading in sticky cams because they're quite good, but let's say I actually want chaffs. You can say, oh, I can add 3 more. So you can see a trade credit, and then you can see needs 3 credit, you have 0. So I've added a cost system. So this is a economy system in the game that allows you to do this. Perfect. Yeah, let's go in game and see how it looks. Alright, let's loading in. Hopefully it doesn't yeet me to oblivion. Okay, it didn't. So see here? Okay, perfect. So I have loaded in what model I have. I can actually check that because it does tell you, yeah, the navy. So go over to model. Yep, navy blue is the selected one. There's also a little thing here. I thought about changing this to apply in game only once, but the goggle colors, yeah, it's not perfect. What the fuck? Oh, it worked again. But I can change it back to green. Yeah, there you go. So I can change it to red. Red doesn't really work. It shows amber. But I like it, but it's not the correct color, so forgive me. It's always the simple shit that breaks, not the hard stuff. But yeah, let's go back to green. So this, I decided you could just do it live in game. It doesn't harm anything, it's not dangerous, it doesn't really affect gameplay. If you want to change it on the fly, you can do so. I was planning on adding like a watchdog system, so it says no, you're not allowed, you can only apply this on respawn. But it's not, it's worthless doing it for that. Right, so let's see here. I have the heartbeat, the chaff, the sticky, and the camo, and it says you can see on below there in use. That means it's currently applied. So that's perfect. So let's check my utility, heartbeat, chaff, yeah, 8 chaff, and the reflect is 8 out of 10. Okay, that's great. 2 sticky cams, and it reflects, yep, perfect. And the camo suit, and it works. This works, the chaff should work. Yes, I forgot my keybinds again, sorry about that, there we go. There we go. And let's say, oh, I am going up against a team that's very difficult to fight against with the specific loadout. Maybe our strategy has changed, maybe we need to change strategy, and you think to yourself, maybe I should go for alarm snare, maybe go for smoke and flash, be more aggressive, and heartbeat, or spy bullet for that case. Yeah, it works. And let's say when you die, let's say you either fall off a building like I do, or, well, I didn't die there, or get blown up. I can also do that. What I could do real quick, alright, so I got these gadgets there, so let me just change over to the black camo. Actually even better. Let's go over to that one, the male one, male Arctic, yeah, by accident. But you can see here, oh, I actually changed over to chaff again. I did that by mistake when I fumbled through the menu here, but that's fine. There we go. Okay. So you can see I should now have 5 chaff, 5 smokes, 5 flash grenades, and 10 spy bullets. And I do. They all applied. That works. That's the spy bullet, that's the flashbang. Today, thank you. Smoke and chaff. Well, yeah, it's redundant now, already displayed the previous gadget. So that's cool. So this works really well. Also, I'm planning to add like a preset system. It's not ready yet, but it's in the works. So you can save your gadget loadout, and whatever you feel like, the exact balance you like, and so on, for whatever situation. But there's more to this. So let me return to lobby. Let us swap over to a dear Mr. Merc. What does Mr. Merc have to say? Well, he also has some quality of life updates. He's not the only, spies are not the only one. You have a matching menu to boot, so you got, first of all, the model. It doesn't show anything here, but I am planning to add more mercenary models. It's a work in progress. But here you have the same system, so let's say I want to, well, of course it bugged out here. I can't select. There you go. Maybe I can type what I want. Maybe that'll work. Nah. Well, it's the same system. It's supposed to allow me to select things there, but as you can see, it doesn't let me do it. Yeah, Merc Gadget picks a lock. They break the loadout. Yeah, okay. Well, I wrote that for some reason. Not carried. Okay, regardless, I can show you something more interesting. Let's say, oh, I have the assault rifle, but I feel like I would do much better close range because the map better fits the rules of engagement. Well, sir, that is no longer a problem. So you can just end yourself, and then once you respawn, you should actually have something, a different weapon. Let's see what happens. Let's hope it works. It works! Yes, finally, my insanity has been partially restored. There we go. I have the taser, a flare, and whatnot. I plan to rework gadgets, so this is going to be for the Splinter Cell Chaos Theory versus Redux mode. Redux, not enhanced. That's an important distinction. So keep that in mind. It might be compatible with the enhanced, but you can't play on the official servers. Let me swap over to the submachine gun. And let's see what happens. Right, you should be able to get the Uzi straight away. There you go, that's a Uzi. or submachine gun. So you feel like I want more fire rate, I want to have more fun, okay, go ham, you can do that. But let's say you find out like you're on a map, you say I need to be able to snipe, I need to be a bit more efficient, and arguably the F2000 is a better gun overall. It's silly not picking it, but I can understand why you would pick it over the others, or I mean why you wouldn't pick it over the other guns. So let's see if I get it back, and let's see if the functionality still works. So can I snipe? Actually, oh, I forgot the keybind for a second. The answer is yes, you can snipe. So yeah, the system is getting more and more functional. I've added lots of safeguards so the code doesn't break, especially in longer sessions. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, hope you look forward to it. If you wanna help me keep me motivated to continue developing and adding to this, if you have any suggestions, just reach out to me. Next gadget is probably going to be a better flashlight. So it will be in the gadget tab for mercenaries. And it will basically be a better flashlight with longer beam and better spread. That's my idea. Hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna go have fun in traffic or something. There you go. Take care.